So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and here is a quick update regarding these games. Like, you are unable to access some of the games. So for example, if I just click on this game, that is Holy Game, which has been recently expired. So why you are unable to join some of the games or complete some of the labs? Are you facing issue like when you click on the lab, you are seeing this start lab is not visible. Like if I just open any other lab over here, let me just show you, so it will help you to understand about the program. So like this, it is not highlighted and we are unable to click on start lab over here for this Holy Game. Similarly, it will happen in next month also, because if you see that for the Holy Game, the deadline has already been closed, means the event is already closed, means you won't be able to earn 2 points which is listed over here for the Holy Game, because it has been expired. If you see the deadline, it started from 2nd of March and ended on 10th of March 2026, mostly by today. On 10th of March it already ended. So now you won't be able to complete these games, means complete these games and earn the points. What you can do now, that all these remaining game badges are live, so you can complete it as soon as possible, except this one. Do not complete it if you haven't completed this badge in January, so I won't recommend to complete these badge. Just complete these all: arcade, trail, voyage, base camp and adventure, and also do the sprint also. So this is the quick thing I wanted to share, because most of you are commenting that we are unable to open the lab, we are unable to join the Holy Game because they have not updated the website. Okay, so you won't be able to join the game as of now. And one more important thing I wanted to share, that one more point game, that is the certification zone game, will be live mostly by today or tomorrow. It will be live, so I'll make a dedicated solution videos also, and it will be uploaded via the channel. You can just check it out whenever the game is live. So this was the quick thing I wanted to share, and if you're interested in other events, you can always explore the channel. Thank you, have a great day ahead.